So in the first part, I have already explained you the steps to get access token using web server flow. Okay, now we will be creating a contact, okay, from one org in another org using this web server flow. Okay, so I have created a Visual Force page. So on this Visual Force page, I have created 3 buttons. So using these 3 buttons, I will first make a request for the authorization code. Once I get the authorization code, I will make a request for the access token using that authorization code. Okay, now once I get the access token, I will create a contact in the target org using the access token. Now let's quickly jump to the code. Get OAuth code. Okay, so this is the get OAuth code method where I am just passing these parameters. Okay, I am just passing these parameters to this URL, OAuth URL. This is the URL. Okay, so to this endpoint I will be passing these parameters. Got it? Now once I will in the callback I will be getting the code. Okay, so actually my callback is the same. Okay, means the Visual Force. I will show you just a minute. So this is my callback URL. Okay, so I will be getting response in the code parameter. Okay, so once I got the response in the code parameter, I can click on that access token button. Once access token button is I click on that button, then this method is called, where I will be passing these parameters. Okay, and the endpoint will be this, which is this one. Okay, now once we get the access token, I am storing this access token in this parameter so that I can use this later, access token and the instance URL. So I will be using this while creating the contact. Okay, in the creating the contact, I am using this parameter first name and the last name to create the contact. So I am using that access token here in the header. Okay, and endpoint URL will be instance URL plus creation endpoint. So this is the instance URL which we got while getting the access token. Okay, this is the instance URL, and creation endpoint, this is slash services slash data slash version number, then slash as object slash contact. Okay, this is the endpoint, standard endpoint URL for the contact. Okay, now since we are creating the contact, we can just hit this URL and make a post request to this URL, and once we make this request, we can get the response, and I'm just showing the response as a message. So now I will show you what happens using this button. Okay, so once I click on this, so I will get code in the parameter. Oh sorry, first Salesforce will make a request. Since I am already logged in, so Salesforce just ask us to authorize. So these are the scopes which we have defined in the permission set. Okay, so the scope which we have defined in the permission set, Salesforce will ask us to confirm. So once we allow, Salesforce return the authorization code in the response. Okay, in the callback. So this is the callback URL. Now we can parse this code. Okay, now in the second method, once I click on this, so it will parse this authorization code, and so this is the method, right? We are parsing this code, and then we are passing these parameters, okay, along with this endpoint URL. Got it? So now when I click on this, I am getting this access token and the instance URL. Now using this instance token and access token, we can create the contact. You see this method. Here we have instance URL, and what is the token? This one is this is the token. Okay, and here is our response. Okay, so I click on this, you know, in the response you will get the ID of the contact record. Now once I can click on this to check whether it is created or not. You see, the contact has been created. Okay. So thanks for watching my blog, watching my video. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.